What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Quora for beginners. Now, if you don't know what this is, you've never heard of this before, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly what this is, how it works, how you can make money without spending any money, and why this is good for beginners and why you don't need any experience doing this. Now, this is a method that I started using when I first started to make money online, and I built up some good income by doing this, and I actually still do this today from time to time to bring traffic to some of my social media platforms. Now, the best part about this method is you don't need to spend a cent. So I'm going to show you how to do this without spending any money. You could go and run ads if you wanted to, but we're going to do this without running ads, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works without you spending a cent, because I do understand when you're first trying to make money online, you probably don't have any money to start, or you only have a little bit of money. And another thing is you don't actually need your own product for this. So you don't need to go create a course or some sort of software. You can do this if you've never ever created your own product before and you don't plan to create your own product in the future. Now, as always, guys, make sure you watch the end of this video, because I'm going to actually show you a method where you can make extra money from this and give you a bit of a free gift and show you exactly how it works. And this is how I scaled this method to making me over $100 per day. It's a very good method. So you're going to want to make sure you stay to the end so you can see how I scaled it and how you can also scale it to make more money and it becomes automated. Now, every single week I bring out videos on how to make money online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. And don't forget to smash that like button. And we also are doing a giveaway again, guys. If you're new to this, what I do is I put a little emoji in this video. When you see that emoji, you got to comment below emoji plus cash, or the emoji plus cash or plus course, and I will announce the winners in the next video, and you could potentially win access to one of my courses, or you could win some cash. We usually give away $50, $100. You could win some cash that you can use. So once again, find that emoji, comment below the emoji plus course. Even if you're on desktop, just type the emoji name and you could potentially win. And make sure you smash that like button as well to go on the draw to win. All right, so let's get into this training. Now, this is a very simple 3-step process. Okay, now the first step is kind of ties into the second step, which we'll talk about in a second, but we need to figure out what topic we're going to work with. Now, what I mean by this is we kind of need to understand what Quora is and how it works. So what this is this is the website where people ask questions. So for example, I could put in something like email. All right, guys, so I had to put in email marketing. And what this does is it finds questions people have been asking online. And basically you can go in there and you can see what people have been asking. Now, the reason we can actually use this to our advantage is these are people that are asking about specific tools, specific methods, specific things. We can make money from this, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But before we actually jump into this and choose a topic to work with, we need to actually go into do step number 2. This is important because these kind of go with each other. So step number 2, or process number 2, is we need to find a product to promote. So what we're doing is we're going to be doing a method called affiliate marketing. I know a lot of you guys know that I do a lot of affiliate marketing videos just because it's one of the best ways to make money online. So what we do is we find someone that has a product, for example. So this person has a product that they sell. It could be a software, a course. We go and promote that person's product, right? And then they give us money. So this is us on the right here. They give us money every single time we make a sale with that product. So it could be 10%, 50%, even 100% in some cases if there's a funnel. But we can make money from these people and promoting their products without actually having to create our own product. So there's a few ways that we can do this. There's 2 websites that I recommend that you can find some products. Now, if you don't really know what type of topic to go for, I've got an example for this video. But you can actually go into Google and you can type in best Quora subjects, and they've got a massive list by followers. And they've got a big list. And for example, dating and relationships, we could go to this website here called clickbank.com. We could sign in, and this is an affiliate marketing website. And I'll actually show you real quick. So I'm actually in Clickbank right now. Go to dating, and I can actually find products on dating, okay? And I can actually promote these products by clicking promote, and I would get a commission. So if I click promote and click generate hot links, I would get this affiliate link that I can send traffic to to that dating product. So if I went and found some topics on dating and relationships, we could put these two together and make some money. And I'll explain to you how. But that's how you can find some topics that are popular in Quora. Now, I've actually got a list of some of the best networks that you can find to find affiliate products to promote. I'll leave them below. These are the best ones that I've used to make money online. What I recommend you do, in this video, we're going to be using a topic called email marketing. And I'll explain to you why right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and take email marketing and I'm going to put that into Quora, which I've actually already done. Okay. And some of the questions are, what's the best email marketing service? What is the best email marketing tool? Which company provides the best email marketing services? So what we can do is we can actually go and find products like this called GetResponse and ActiveCampaign, and we can scroll to the bottom and it actually says partner program, or on this one, it says affiliate programs. And if I click affiliate programs, it might load up because I'm already logged in. No, we can actually get paid a commission for promoting these products. So for example, the one I'm on, 33% per sale per month, as long as those people stay on. So for example, I'm making a roundabout with this particular program, $1,500 to $2,000 per month passively from free traffic sources, right? And what you do is you sign up as an affiliate, and when you sign up, you're going to get taken to a backend like this, and here is my affiliate link. I just copy this affiliate link and send traffic to it. You might be asking me, well, how does all of this tie into this? How can we make money with this? So the first step is I would recommend you go and sign up to 2 or 3 email marketing programs, or you can do funnel software. So for example, people ask in Quora, what's the best funnel software? You could sign up to ClickFunnels, and you could go down to affiliates and sign up, and you could promote that as well. There's really an unlimited amount of topics that you can target on Quora.com. So go and sign up as an affiliate to 2 or 3 email marketing softwares. So GetResponse is one of them. ActiveCampaign is another one. I think there's another one called Drip. There's lots of them around. You can find them on Google. Now, the next step is very simple, and this is how you make the money. We need to actually go in here and we need to find, so we find these questions, right? So which email marketing services is the best? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with one of my videos that I actually have. So as you can see, which email marketing service is the best? And we scroll down and people have actually put some replies. So now we need to go to the next step. We need to actually go and create content so we can reply to questions and get a commission. So what I recommend you do, and this is really the best way for beginners, is you can simply go and start a YouTube video that's completely free for you to start. And you don't even need to show your face. So for example, this one here, this is an example video, best email marketing automation platforms. So top email marketing tools. What this person does is he literally scrolls over the page of a few email marketing softwares, right? Explaining the features of them. Because people don't necessarily want to know the best. They want to know the features because they're too lazy to read them themselves, or they don't understand the features. So that's where you come along, and you can actually go and do this. Now, you'll see in the description, he has links to these tools, okay? And if we look at one of my videos, I have a link down here, get your 30-day free trial. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna use this video right here to give you an example of what you should be doing, okay? So I'm going to, let's just pretend that you've uploaded a video that you've made. You don't have to show your face. You can simply just go over the pages of, so you can just scroll over this page, reading out the features, and then go to the next one, and you can read out the features, because that's all people want. They want to know what the features are, and then they can decide what one's the best for them. And you can actually put multiple affiliate marketing links in the videos. Now this one here, I only have one affiliate marketing link because I'm only promoting one product, but we'll take this one here, okay? Share this video. Because I already have the affiliate link in the description and in the comment here that is pinned to the top. And I can actually tell them, hey, click the links in the description to get your 30-day free trial. And you can see in the back here, I actually have money coming in, so earnings. This is all live. You can actually see this right now. You'll see the earnings down here. So $1,700, $2,000, $1,700. Now this isn't from Quora traffic. I actually use another traffic source, but this is how I started. actually sending traffic to a lot of my YouTube videos and how I started my YouTube channel. These are videos that I posted on the Quora platform when I started YouTube. So let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to go to this here. Which email marketing service is the best? I'll actually find another one. What is the best email marketing tool? Okay, because it's more specific to what we're trying to target. I'm going to go answer. And I'm going to write this out, and then I'll come back and explain to you what I've written. All right, guys, so what I've done is I've written, hey, I've gone over some of the best email marketing tools online. I think this video below will help you out. It shows you 3 of the best platforms online that a lot of people use. I love GetResponse, but you can use ActiveCampaign or Drip. They're very good platforms. I actually go over GetResponse in detail in this breakdown, and I'm going to click submit. And then what's going to happen, right, is this is now live on that post that says, what is the best email marketing tool? So when people come to Quora and they type this in, they are very specific because they're obviously looking for an email marketing platform to use. And the chances of them clicking on yours is very high. And they'll click on the video, and now they can go to the video, they can watch it in here, and they might go down and click on this. And when they click on this, you could get an affiliate marketing commission. All you've got to do is you've got to line up the right questions to the right product. So if I go back to Quora.com and I go funnel builder, all right, the website is playing up for me at the moment, but I put in funnel and it says, how can I create a sales funnel? So you can do a video on how to create a sales funnel, and then you can recommend something like ClickFunnels or something like that at the end of the video. And ClickFunnels will pay you 40% per month of $97. It's a pretty good amount of money. So what you've got to do is you've got to go through and you've got to think of ideas, and you've got to line up the ideas. For example, the ideas, you don't just put in email marketing, like for this example, you can put in email marketing software, best email software, best email marketing software, and it's going to give you a bunch of different questions every time you put them in. And then what happens is people go to those questions and they see your answer and they could potentially click on your affiliate link. Now, I did mention how you can actually make more money from this, and the way you can actually do this is this will cost you a little bit of money, but this is how I scaled my operation. You can actually go to upwork.com and you can put Quora into the search bar, and you can actually hire people to do this for you. They will literally do this for you. Okay, so they'll do all the finding all the topics, questions, all that sort of stuff. You just send them the product that you want to promote, and they will literally go out and do this all for you. And you just sit back and watch the money come in and keep paying them to do it. As long as you're profitable, that's all you need to do. And these guys will do the work for you. This is exactly what I did when I was doing this method. So this guy will do comments on Quora, Reddit, and all sorts of stuff. Quora Expert. Digital marketing specializations, Quora again. You can find lots of people to actually do this. And remember, you can get my cheat sheet below of the best affiliate marketing programs to actually do this. So that's how you can make money online with Quora. Now, if you want some more free training, you can click the videos on the right that will take you through step by step how to make money online. And these are completely free tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the video on the right.